Turn to Hydrojetting and Drains Houston. Our reliable team offers top-notch vacuum truck services in Houston, Texas to efficiently handle various liquid and solid waste removal needs. With our state-of-the-art equipment and skilled operators, we ensure safe and thorough cleanup for residential and commercial projects. Contact our vacuum truck services today for consultation. Are you looking for a vacuum truck services near me? You can stop looking. You found Hydrojetting and Drains Houston. What does the vacuum truck do? Innovative vehicles called vacuum trucks are used to crush, gather, and transport dirt and other trash. How deep can a vac truck dig? The most powerful trucks can dig down to a depth of about 60 feet, while Hydrovat's machines can only dig down to around 20 to 30 feet. This makes precise digging feasible in places where no other technology can provide the needed results. What is your vacuum truck services service area for the Houston, Texas office? Our local vacuum truck services has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Katy, Humble, Cypress, Bellaire, Pearland, Sugar Land, Jersey Village, Spring, the Woodlands, Pasadena, Missouri City, Aldine, Mount Houston, Jacinto City, Meadows Place, Fresno, Brookside Village, Clodine, Park Place, Galena Park, Texas. Where is your Houston, Texas vacuum truck services located? We are located at 265 Chimney Rock Road, Houston, Texas 77024. Our phone number is 832-648-4573. Visit our website, https://hydrojettinganddrainshouston.com.